Good morning everyone. Chapter Algebra exercise first B which is going on. So let's start. Look at your question. Question number 13th. Find the value. A part is given 5.45 of cube plus 3.55 of cube. Here is cube is given to you. It means you have to use the cube formula. So what is the cube formula? A plus b of whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. यहाँ पे plus given है, it means we have to use the plus identity. Clear? Now here is only single cube means a of cube plus b of cube, not whole cube. So what you can do? You have to make a cube plus b cube value. This one you have to find out. So here is plus 3ab into a plus b is given. So if I am writing here, it will be changed into minus 3ab a plus b. This step is clear. So now in next step मैंने इसको करेक्ट करके लिख लिया है कि a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब इज इक्वल टू a प्लस बी ऑफ होल क्यूब माइनस 3ab a प्लस b. जस्ट डायरेक्शन सही करके इसको लिख लिया, अदरवाइज नथिंग एल्स. नाउ कंपेयर विद योर क्वेश्चन, its a value and its b value. So a value is 5.45 plus b value is 3.55 of whole cube minus 3 into a value is 5.45, b value is 3.55 in bracket a value and b value. Just you have to put the values of a and b. Afterwards solve it. By calculation when you will add it, it got 9 of cube minus, now do the multiply of these three numbers, then by this you got 58.0425 and add of this one, it's 9. Then do the multiply of these numbers and 9 of cube is 729. Afterwards subtract it, you got the answer. Is that clear? Here is nothing you have to do, just put the values in your formulas and solve the calculation. Now look at your B part. 8.12 of cube minus 3.12 of cube. Here is minus is given to you. It means you have to use the identity a minus b of whole cube. So formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Here is you have to give a single cube. So first of all we will find out the single cube value. So this is your given to you in minus. It will be changed into plus in your left hand side. So a minus b of cube will be as it is. Here is minus, so it will be changed into plus and this will be as it is. Now put your values of a and b. Clear? Now look at your C part. 1.81 into 1.81 minus 1.81 multiply 2.19 plus 2.19 into 2.19. These two values are same. It means this is your a square. And this one is also same. It means it's your b square. Here is a value and here is b value. So it means minus ab. ये formula किसका है? a square minus ab plus b square. The formula is of this one identity which we have already done yesterday. So a plus b, a square minus ab plus b of square. Then the formula is a cube plus b cube. ये हमने पिछली असाइनमेंट में सॉल्व किया था कि अगर आपको एक a प्लस बी हो और a स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर, देन फॉर्मूला इज a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब. ये फॉर्मूला है और ये आपकी आइडेंटिटी ये फॉर्मूला के थ्रू बन रही है और ये a प्लस बी क्या है? एक्स्ट्रा नंबर है. सो दिस इज गिवन टू यू इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इट विल बी चेंज इनटू डिवाइड. So in this formula just you have to put the values. A value is 1.81 and b value is 2.19. So put it, it's 1.81 of cube plus 2.19 of cube over a plus b. A value is this one and b value is this one is equal to add of these two numbers, we got a 4. So upper side 1.81 of cube plus 2.19 cube is become your previous question like this one. Is that clear? So upper side आपको इसके तरह solve करना है और down side आपका 4 आंसर आ ही गया है. So 1/4 को मैंने बाहर लिख लिया है. So here is 1.81 plus 1 9 of cube because a plus b of cube minus 3 into ab in bracket a plus b. Now solve the calculation. Add of this one, it's 4 of cube, minus do the multiply of this one, it's this 11.8917, then add of this one, it's 4, then do the multiply of these both numbers, afterwards subtract it, then by cut it, you got this answer. So look at your D part. Here is 7.16 into 7.16. Both values are same. It means it is a square, plus 2.16 into 7.16 plus 2.16 into 2.16. Both values are same. It means it's a b square. So a value is 7.16 and b value is 2.16. It means this is your AB. Now here is a square plus ab plus b square. ये फॉर्मूला कब यूज होता है? जब आपका a माइनस बी एंड ए स्क्र प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्र इज इक्वल टू ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब. ये हमने कल ही डिस्कस किया था आपका ये फॉर्मूला. तो इस फॉर्मूला को इसके साथ कंपेयर करोगे तो ये वैल्यू आपकी क्या है? एक्स्ट्रा है. ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. इट मीन्स ये मल्टीप्लाई में है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी चेंज इन टू डिवाइड. Now we got this value. Afterwards you have to use this formula and put the values of a and b and solve the calculation. So thanks and have a nice day.